Everything we ate at Taipei, Taiwan. Ang first agenda namin for the day is magala sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Then, na-discover namin na meron palang branch doon yung Chun Shui Tang na isa sa mga restaurant na nagkiklaim na nag-invent ng original milk tea. First, we tried their original bubble tea. Yung price niya actually dokte sa mga price ng normal na milk tea dito sa Taipei. For me, mapait siya at 50% sugar level. Very creamy, and yung sago, nothing unique about it. Siguro ito nga yung original milk tea and karamihan ng ibang popular brands is mas swak sa younger generation. Next, we tried their signature beef noodles. Ito yung best-seller food dish nila dito, guys. Gusto ko yung ganitong noodles actually, manipis. Yung pagkakaluto niya, bouncy and chewy pa din. Heavy on the beef itong dish na to, which is sulit for the price. May tendon din nakasama, which is sobrang lambot pero may gelatinous texture pa din. Yung broth is medyo nalalapit sa Pinoy pares, beefy and sweet. Meron silang nung tea egg na kasama. Hindi siya malasado. Lasang tea actually. First time ko makakakain kaya wala akong point of reference. Basta sa akin kakaiba kasi kahit boiled egg para ka din kumakain ng tea. Ganon. Bagay siya isabay sa noodles, broth at beef. Nakakadagdag lasa sa dish syempre. Next, we took a cab going to Diwa Street or Dadao-Cheng. Yung vibe niya dito guys parang Ongpin. Parang Old China ganon. We tried here their giant pork balls. For 7 NTD, meron kang soup and 2 balls. Slightly seasoned lang siya. Typical seasoning, salt, pepper, and oyster sauce. Yung pinaka-ball. Para kang kumakain ng palaman ng bola-bola siopaw. Yung broth, typical mami broth. Very faint, porky umami taste. For me, mas may enjoy to ng mga parents natin. Then, naglakad-lakad kami and then we discovered Miaoko Sishen Soup and Meat Bun Specialty Store. Actually guys, wala siyang English name sa karatulina niya. We had to translate this using Google Translate. We got here baozi lang. So basically just your siopaw. Pero yung lasa niya sa loob, parang may pagkalongganisa. Very herby na may lasang rice wine, oyster sauce, ginger, and garlic. Accidental lang namin na-discover and nakisali na kami sa pila ng mga locals. Next time, sana matry naman namin yung 4 herb soup dito.